In this video, I'm going to show you how to take one of these, one of these, one of these, and use this to create a brand new mulberry plant for yourself using a technique called layering, otherwise known as simple layering. Once you've found a small low-hanging branch like this one, cut a third of the way into the branch, and then all you need to do is find a small twig or piece of leaf to place in that gap, so when you press this down into the soil, it won't close over and heal itself. Once you've done this, place the area that you've prepared directly into the ground. Place a small little peg, just like this one, which is literally the edge of an old basket. Pin your branch into the ground to hold it down. Once it's done, cover up with some soil, add a little bit of water, and that's the first part of your air layering done. But the job's not finished yet. Here's a layer I've prepared earlier. Now with this layer, I took the peg out a little bit early to check on the roots. But I forgot to put the peg back and completely forgot that this air layer existed, till I saw it protruding out of the top of the sage at the base of my main mulberry tree. All I need to do now with this particular layer is detach it from the parent plant on the parent plant side of where the roots have formed. Once that's done, you can then dig up the roots of the plant. Be careful not to damage roots to give your plant the best chance when you pot it on. You'll then need to remove extra leaves from the plant so you don't put it under stress. I do this before I pot it up. The next job is then to pot it up. Pop some potting mix in a pot, dibble a hole in the middle, place the base of the plant in the pot, and then cover those roots up. You want to make sure that your plant is firmly placed in the pot so that it's nice and stable. Add a little bit of water and place it in a spot that gets at least morning sunshine to help your plant kick on. You may find over the next few days that your plant leaves start to dry out. That's fine. There is enough energy in this plant to produce new shoots and to allow your plant to take off again.